Yo, what's up, people? This is the next Forex Pro, and this video, as you guys remember, if you saw my previous one, I mentioned that I wasn't going to be trading this week, and the reason why was because I only had about 3 days, like 2 days left actually, and I was going to be at an event, somewhere else that I had to be for the whole week. And so, anyways, today is Thursday. Tomorrow I'll finally get back to my regular groove, and I just wanted to create this video to show you guys that I finally got the free reset opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then, by the way, this will disable the current account. That is a yes. And so once that happens, finally I'm going to be able to get a brand new account inside of MyForexFund, and you can see it'll actually show breach time. The message breach was max time exceeded, and you started with initial deposit of 100,000. The balance alert now is 100,000. Yeah, $101,536.52. Blah 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 blah. The balance tells you the balance. So as long as you're in profit, you're gonna get that free reset, and you pretty much just start again, and you're back at the evaluation phase 1. So here we are again. This is finally the brand new account in here on MyForexFund, and you can see I have 0 days left. It'll actually show this way when you first start. It'll start counting the moment you take your first trade. Then the 30 days will begin to count. And then last but not least, you'll receive an email from MyForexFund that'll show welcome to MyForexFund. And then this is for the new account. You'll see I'll have the account details down there. Then after it'll show we're excited that you have been decided to be part of MyForexFund family. We wish you the very best in your evaluation. And so it shows, since you have joined evaluation model, at any stage, if you violate the rules, you will have to reset back to first stage. The fee will be 10% off. The challenge fee above can be done through members portal. Now, obviously, because I am in profit, I was still in profit and I did not violate any of the violations. All I did was I had to click on the free reset button, and this was it. This is the new account now, and as you can see here, we're pretty much starting from scratch, and here we go again. So I'm pretty excited for this one. And once again, there's 2 phases. Phase 1, pass within 30 days, and then phase 2, they give you 60 days, and I believe the profit target is different. This actually should be 8,000, and so like I said, it'll show 0 days left. Once you place the first trade, it'll begin to count, and that's when it'll start the counter. But anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna tomorrow, I don't think I'll be trading. I might be on just to take a look at the market, but I'm not gonna do anything with the account until next week, just to start off in October fresh. And anyways, thank you so much for watching, and y'all enjoy the rest of the weekend. Peace out.